People tend to think of California as the wine mecca of the U.S. We have many delicious wines and wineries right here in Minnesota. Many of the wineries in Minnesota provide on-farm experiences where you can learn more about winemaking and taste a lot of delicious wines. Today I'm at Carlos Creek Winery near Alexandria, touring their beautiful 200-acre farm where they make 20 internationally awarded grape and apple wines. Carlos Creek also offers wine tasting, appetizers, and friendly tours of their winemaking facility. It's a delightful way to spend an afternoon. Minnesota is home to 9 grape varieties. Our climate and soil present unique growing conditions for grapes. Tammy Bredeson, owner of Carlos Creek Winery, thinks our Minnesota grapes provide a special wine experience.
Minnesota grapes are special because they survive 20 degrees below zero, and they're grown on their own roots. So even if they do die to the ground in a really cold winter, they will come back as the same form, so we don't have to replant. My favorite part of producing local wine is giving tours in the vineyard and the production facility to our customers and showing them that we can grow wonderful grapes and make beautiful wine here in Minnesota.
While a glass of wine is nice to enjoy anywhere, it's especially fun to sip a glass among the winding vineyards.
Best part of winemaking is after the fall harvest when we get to blend the wines. So we get to sit there and taste wines for a living. It's a terrible job.
If you want to know more about Minnesota wine and wineries, go to minnesotagrown.com.